Want to know exactly what people are searching for to find your store on Google? Google Search Console gives you that superpower. I'll show you how to connect it. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Search Console shows your search rankings, click-through rates, and any errors Google finds on your site. First, go to search.google.com/search-console and add your website's URL. You'll need to verify ownership. The easiest way is often the HTML tag method. Just copy the code and paste it into your Shopify theme's liquid file, or use the Google Channel integration. Once verified, it can take a few days for data to appear. Then you'll see the performance report, which shows your keywords and impressions. A crucial pro tip: check the coverage report regularly. This tells you if Google is having trouble indexing any of your important pages, like product pages. Fixing 404 not found, or crawled, not indexed. Errors here can give your SEO a major boost. And just like that, you're having a direct conversation with Google. Search Console is your essential tool for winning organic traffic. What's the first keyword you hope to rank for? For your final question, subscribe for our next video on how to add customer support live chat. Thanks for watching.